Hello everybody, I'm Oscar Chamat. I just learned how to use Google to help you improve your pronunciations of some words, so I'm going to show you how. For example, you want to learn how to pronounce mouse in English. So you put in Google how to pronounce mouse in English. And it appears this little tool. I searched a little on YouTube and this tool is called Pronto. I'm going to let you a video of the girl that helped develop this in the description. She shows the tool in more depth. So how do you use this tool? Here you
Mouse.
hear the
Mouse.
pronunciation and you can see the the face
Mouse.
pronounce it. You can say go slower.
Mouse.
In here you practice. For example, mouth. See, I mispronounced uh, the last syllable, and it shows me. So you can start
Mouse. Mouse.
hearing again, and when you are sure, and you just practice. You just say mouse. Good job. Okay, for this does not work with every word. For example, how to pronounce mouth in English doesn't work. Doesn't show me the tool Pronto. So you go to Google Drive. Google Drive. Go to Drive. You say New Google Doc. Okay. We're going to pronounce mouth now. And voice typing. Mouth. Okay, that's correct. Mouse. And you can do that with every word. And it shows you something that is not what you are saying. You know, it's not does not show you the pronunciation as this with the movement of the mouth,
Mouse.
but it's still a good tool. Okay, so how to use Google to hear the pronunciation of a word. If you want to hear the pronunciation of a word in some kind of language, let's say English, you go to Google, you say Google Translate, you go to Google Translate, for example, the word mouse, you put mouse, and
Mouse.
it lets you hear. Okay, so let's see a real life example. Okay, so I need to pronounce mouse. 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 Mouth. Mouth. Chip. Chip. Okay. Now jeep. 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 Okay, I'm not pronouncing that correctly.
Jeep.
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 Jeep. Jeep. Jeep. Okay, that's the best I can do. Next one is thin. 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 This is going to be a problem.
Sin.
Thin.
Sin.
Thin.
Sin.
Thin. 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 Thin.
Fan, fan, fan. Sin. Sin. Sin.
Thin. 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 I committed a sin. Well, it needs context, but kind of understanding. Next one is thin.
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 Thin. Thin. Okay, it even says how to pronounce. Raise your tongue so it's high in your mouth and relax your lips. Thin. 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 Think this one is close? Thin. Thin. T. Thin.
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 Thin. Thin. Thin. I am really thin. Okay, let's say that didn't work. Again.
Thin.
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 Thin. Okay, that's voice.
Voice.
Voice. Voice. Voice. Voice. Voice. Voice. Voice. And let's just keep trying.
boys, boys,
And let's see here.
voice, voice, voice,
Voice,
voice,
voice, voice,
boys,
voice, voice,
boys,
voice, voice, voice. Okay, I need to keep practicing, but it's a good way to learn how to pronounce. Okay, that's all for my video. Thank you. Bye.